Razi and Avicenna from the 28th of the 7th month of 1446. Razi could be said to have been a socialist philosopher. Initially a music player, he took to medicine and methods that brought things beyond just being literature. Religiously, he worked to confirm and discover of every disease's origin and cure. Mentality was worked on for the sake of the physical. Let's not forget to work on character. Reject the claims of people and languages being inherently superior. Physically, learn from, but refine each culture. Psychiatry was distinguished from other medicine by Avicenna, who continued to be a discoverer and made his catalog as a free associator. Necessary essences was one thing, but faith-wise, some will speak of him as partly or totally a disbeliever. And Abu Bakr Muhammad bin Zakaria Razi is the name, and Ibn Sina is the other name. So Ibn Sina was known for working with the Aristotelian ideas. And there was a lot of criticism that people were just they weren't doing philosophy, you could say. They were quoting philosophers. And, well, there was still doing of philosophy, but you know what I mean. And Abu Bakr Razi, one of the things that I reference specifically in terms of there is the Islamic belief that every disease has a cure. And so people can discover the origins of ailments. And except for death, it's possible to stop pretty much anything. Now, will you every time? Certainly not. Even if you know, oh, this is practically a cure-all. Well, what cure-alls are there really? And both of them are individuals that had ideas that if they were more accepted and worked on, we may not have needed the appearance of modern psychology.